Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Paddock, and it's your morning meeting. I'm going to turn it over to our calendar so we can get started right away. Well, we are in the month of June, and it is June the 1st, so the first day of June. And of course, this is our last month of school, and then we have summer holidays. And then when you come back to school, so after July and August, you'll come back to school in September, and you will, of course, be in grade 1. How awesome is that? So we just have to get through this next month, and then we're all done. In fact, we only have 3 more weeks of school, so 3 more weeks of morning meetings. So 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. This will be our last week. And then the last 2 weeks, we're basically finishing up all the, report cards and all that sort of stuff, okay? So again, today is the first day of June, or we could also say June 1st. Today is Monday, yesterday was Sunday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. All right, can you sing it with me? Today is Monday, today is Monday, all day long, all day long. Yesterday was Sunday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. Oh, what fun. Oh, what fun. Excellent. Let us look at our days of the week. 1, 2, 3. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7, there are 7, there are 7 days of the week. Excellent. Looking at our months of the year. Ready? 1, 2, 3. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. There are 12 months in a year. Excellent. Look at our numbers chart, and of course we're going to be skip counting by tens. You ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job. Let's skip count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Great job. All right. Our season is spring. We, of course, have 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, winter. For today, for June the 1st, they're calling for a high of 29 degrees. That is really nice, hey? So 29 degrees means it's going to be a hot, hot day. Remember to use sun safety when you are outside. Try to avoid going outside between 11 and 3 because, of course, that's usually when the sun is sort of right in the center, right at the top of us, which means it's the hottest for us and could make us sick if we're outside for too long. If you do go outside, make sure that you slap on some sunscreen, right? You're gonna slip on a shirt, some sort of t-shirt or something, slap on some sunscreen, slip on a hat as well. Make sure your head is covered. Don't forget sunglasses, and try and find some shade, okay? And don't forget to drink water too, because of course you want, when you're outside, and especially if you've been running around, you're going to dehydrate. That means that you're going to be losing lots of water, and you need to make sure that you're drinking lots of water to replace the water that you've lost, okay? So make sure you're doing that. All right, boys and girls, this week for our work, you're going to be doing the number 29 in your numbers booklet 1 and 2. So number 29, I'm going to show you the workbooks in a second. Also, you're working through sight words packets 5 and 6. So 5 and 6, do those. It's pretty easy. Remember trying to read those sight words, okay, as you're working through those 2 packets. This week, or this month, we have a new author. His name is Mark Brown. He's the guy who wrote the Arthur books. So Arthur and D.W. and the whole gang there. So I'm going to be reading some books and posting them on YouTube for you. So check those out, okay? And there's going to be an Author of the Month worksheet that you can do for part of your assessment. And also another thing is we're going to be talking a lot about Canada for the rest of June, because Canada Day is coming up. It comes up on, do you know? July the 1st. Canada Day is on July the 1st. And so this month we're going to be talking a lot about Canada, and there's a couple of workbooks and things like that. But this week's assessment is going to be, you're going to get a worksheet that looks like this, and it says Canada, Our Country, word cards, and it's got 2 pages. So it's got that page, and it's got this page too. What you're going to do is, and you don't have to color these, you can if you want to, but you don't have to, but you're going to cut these out and then you're going to put them in the right box. Okay, I'm going to put a YouTube video up of that so you can see that later on. I'm also going to read a couple of Canada Day or Canada books as well and post them on YouTube as well. Okay, so this week for YouTube stories, it's going to be Arthur and it's going to be Canada books as well. Okay, so look forward to those. Okay, I hope you do. I'm going to show you our workbooks for this week. So again, the number 29, we're almost done because of course we've got to get to 30, and our sight words packets 5 and 6. Okay, so I'm going to flip this down so you can see. Okay, give me a second. All right, there you go, boys and girls. So workbook, numbers book 1, you're going to do the 29. Remember 29, so the 2, you know how to do the 2. It could be a flat bottom or you could have the loop in there too. It doesn't matter, it's your choice. The 9, you know how to do, make sure it's going the right way. So the head goes that way, doesn't go the other way or else it would be a P, right? So be careful. So trace the 29, do them a few times, as many as you can. And then here, don't forget to do that one, 29. Again, trace it, color it. I chose like an orangey red. 29, the word 29. Again, trace it 4 times, do it 4 times. Here's your 10 frames. So 10, 20, and 9. Because remember, 1 is missing or else it would be 30, right? So 10, 20, 9. All right, numbers booklet 2. Our numbers booklet 2, again, you are on the number 29. So at the top here, we're going to fill in the missing numbers. So we have 23, and that is 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Excellent. We have our 10 frames here as well. So again, the only one that's missing is one of them, right? So 10, 20, 9. Here you're going to draw 29. I did 29 stars or snowflakes, whatever you want to call them. So we have 10, 20, 9. Tally marks, so making sure that you're doing the tally marks properly. So remember, it's 4 lines and then 1 across. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay? Here, you're going to just write 29. So 29, 29, 29, 29. And down here, you're going to write to 29. So you can see I made a little mistake there, and of course, because I used pen, I couldn't erase it, but you can see it's 27. So you're going to go all the way to 29, so you're going to leave 1 box open. That's for next week. We're going to fill that all in for 30. Here it says, ready? I can draw 29 smiley faces. And so here are my smiley faces, and I went by 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay? Now, sight words packet. This is number 5. These are our words, our sight words for this week. Which, there, will, about, how, if, said, do, each, up. Now this there is kind of a funny one because there's actually 3 theirs. This there is their car, right? Their car. So they went to their car. Okay, so it belongs to them. Okay, you're going to turn the page and you're going to look at the one with the sunglasses, and of course you're going to fill in the other sunglass. Okay, so whatever it says here, you're going to write it there. So this one was said, you're going to write said in there. I think you know how to do that pretty well. This one, of course, towering word sets, and again, you're going to match the words. These are just basically different fonts, which means different style of how to write the word, but it's the same word. So up and up, it's still the same word. So just match it up, okay? Now, next one is sentences. Picture it, it's called. And here we go. So it says, how about we get an ice cream? So if you look at the picture, here it is. There's an ice cream cone on the store, so that matches, right? Their kite is up in the sky. And there you go, it's up in the sky, a kite. If I do my homework now, I can watch TV after dinner. So the kid is doing some homework, so that you draw the line there. Which dress do you like? So there's a picture of a dress here with 2 girls. There you go. Okay, so draw a line there. We will each have a piece of cake. So each of them has a piece of cake, so draw a line there. And then packet number 6. These are the words for packet number 6. Them, then, many, so, would, out, she, some, these, other. All right. And again, so the eyeglasses, you guys again know how to do those pretty easily, right? Do that one. Do the towering word sets, right? And just match it and draw the line. And then for the picture it one, let's read these ones here, okay? Hold on a second. So it says, she went out the door of her house. So it's this one here at the door. These flowers would be a nice gift. The boy has flowers. Some of them are babies. So if you look here carefully, this little duck has little babies. She read a book and then went to bed. So she's going to bed there. There are many other things we can do at the beach. And there's a beach, right? There's sandcastle, pail, a beach ball, and sand, right? There you go. All right, so that's it. And so again, boys and girls, you're going to be doing, there's 2 assessments. One is Author of the Month, and of course it is Mark Brown. So again, listen to some of the stories and then do the, you know, what your favorite part is and draw me a picture. And then the other one is the Canada Day or Canada word cards, okay? So just cut them out, glue them in the right spot. I will post a video of that shortly, and so you guys can watch that and follow along if you need to, okay? Hope you have a wonderful day. I love you and I miss you all. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.